Hello again, welcome to the channel. My name is Dina. If you're a fan of unique trailing plants and Hoyas, you probably come across the stunning Hoya Compacta, also known as Indian Rope Hoya and Crinkle Curl Hoya. Today, I'm sharing some fascinating facts about this curly-leaved Hoya that might surprise you, especially if you're new to growing this beautiful plant like me, and maybe even some experienced houseplant collectors. First up, did you know the Hoya Compacta is actually a mutation of the regular Hoya carnosa? Its thick, twisted leaves are the result of a natural genetic variation that was cultivated for its unique look. This isn't your average trailing plant. Here's another, it can revert. Sometimes under low light or stress, the plant may grow flat, normal-looking leaves instead of the twisted ones. That's your sign to give it more light or improve its care conditions. Speaking of care, the Hoya Compacta is a super slow grower, not as slow as the Hoya albomarginata, for example, and that's totally normal. The curved leaves limit how much sunlight the plant can absorb, so don't panic if it seems to be taking its sweet time. Expect growth of about 4 to 6 inches a year indoors, 12 inches if you're lucky. Another cool fact, this plant is an epiphyte in the wild, which means it naturally grows on trees and absorbs moisture from the air. That's why it thrives in airy soil and appreciates a bit of extra humidity. Those thick succulent-like leaves, they actually store water, so it's more drought tolerant than many houseplants. But be careful, it's very easy to overwater this one. When it blooms, the Hoya Compacta produces clusters of waxy star-shaped flowers with a sweet scent, often compared to vanilla, cinnamon, or even chocolate. It's a treat for the senses. And here's a must-know, never cut off the flower stems or peduncles. This plant reblooms from the same spots year after year, so snipping them means no more flowers. And that is all for today. If you love unique houseplants with personality, the Hoya Compacta is a must-have. With my plant, I have a single vine. I haven't decided yet whether I want it to climb or trail, so for now, I will leave it as it is, propagate it in spring, and see how it looks with new vines growing. Enjoy growing your Hoya. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.